So, you chose manual mode, but to learn how the manual mode works, we first need to learn the toolbar. Here, we have the shuffle button. When clicked, it shuffles between multiple combinations. Then we have gap, padding, and border. These three options control the styling of your photos and is further explained in our video, Gap, Padding, and Border. Then we have the expansion mode. When selected, we either stretch the photos or keep them at the same aspect ratio. This can also be done with Ctrl+F or Command+F. Expanded mode with a single photo is mostly used combined with zero padding to set the photo as a background. Next, in the Align mode, we have the option for automatic grid alignment between photos and the overall composition alignment, start, center, and end. We can also decide if the spread is split and how it splits. To finish, we can connect the styling of both sides of the spread and even swap sides. And that's it for the side toolbar of the manual mode.